NSA amadi UAPA gi law implement tawbagi matangda police amadi prosecution da Leiriba Ningthina train Touduna Ahenba Lousing Tansinba Mathou tai haina Manipur gi governor Kumar Balana fongdokre wafam asi criminal justice administration gi matangda numit ni chupna pangthokadaba seminar hogdokpagi thoramda mahakna fongdokhibani Manipur lenga ki home department law and legislative affairs na Manipur Judicial Academy ga khutchamnaduna Palace Compound da laiba MSFDS ki Palace Auditorium da seminar hudokpagi thoram adu pangthokibani thoram adu da Governor Kumar Balan hai kumjali singani kunmari ge July tang amadagi chatnaba haukiba anoba criminal law home Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita VNS Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS amadi Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam BSA asina India ge criminal justice system da chaun ahongba ama purak pangamli anoba Lousing asina miyam da khongjel yangna achumba wayel fanghanba victim singe right amadi dignity ngak sen batana digital technology sizinaduna achumba wayel fanghanaba masak thokna pangthoknaba hotnari haina fongdokhi mahangna makha taraduna Mamang chahi kumjali singani kun mga ge aroiba sarukta ikhoina review tawba matamda state asida Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA amadi National Security Act NSA gi casing implement tawba gi matangda issue khara thengnakhi hiramasi gi matangda High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice ka kupna khanakhi maduda Lousing ase implement tawba gi matangda police amadi prosecution da Leiriba Ningthina train Touduna Ahenba Lousing Leiba Mathou tai haibasi khanglakhi tung koina chatnagadaba tangdu leitaba amadi chawkhatpagi lambi da mityeng thamliba Manipur gumba state tadi manung mapan fawa amasung miyamga chunagadaba criminal justice system leihanba mathou tai haina mahakna makhata ki
of the new Nyaya Sanhitas will strengthen public confidence, improve access to justice and contribute significantly towards maintaining peace and rule of law. I urge all the participants to actively engage in the discussions, share experience and identify practical problems, clear your doubts. The success of these reforms ultimately depends not merely on legislation, but on the commitment, competence and the coordination of every stakeholder entrusted with the administration of justice. I once again congratulate Home Department, Law and Legislative Affairs Department, Manipur Judicial Academy for organizing this timely seminar. I am confident that the recommendations emerging or learning emerging from the program seminar will contribute meaningfully towards strengthening criminal justice system.
Amarom da thoramadu da sarukya ki Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan hai democratic oiba khunai amagi mapangal asi Leiriba Miyam aduna chingnaba leitana achumba wayel fangani haibagi chap chaba thazaba leiba aduna oigani criminal justice system asi law bu Ningthina chalaiba adu khaknate masidi tangdu leitaba security constitutional governance amadi miyam gi thazaba haiba asida yumpham oiribani criminal justice ke amata ngairaba thodang asi law khongaw ngariba singfa punbagi thabak tawba adu khaknate miyam gi fundamental rights Ningthina ngak senba rule of law Ningthina chalaiba amadi miyam da akiba leitana Hinghan bahaiba asi yauribani numinini chathagadaba seminar asina Manipur ge criminal justice administration da mapangal hapag loinana state asida anoba Nyaya Sanhita chalaibada achoba thodang ama logani haibagi thazabalai haina mahangna makhata ki ngasigi thoram aduda High Court of Manipur ge Chief Justice M Sundar Justice Aribam Guneshwar Sharma Justice Ahenba Bimol amadi Advocate General Hizam Lenin namithungnan singoina sarugyaki
I encourage the participants of this seminar to make the fullest use of this opportunity. Meaningful exchange between the bench, the bar, the police and the prosecution and the academic institution will strengthen coordination among the stakeholders and contribute to a more responsive, transparent and accountable justice delivery system. I am confident that deliberation over the next 2 days will generate valuable ideas and practical recommendations that will further strengthen criminal justice administration in Manipur and contribute to the effective implementation of the new Nyaya Sanhitas across the state.